Hey divas, so I'm back with another one, of course, and this is going to be my unboxing video of some Beauty Forever hair. So if you want to see what I got, stay tuned for the video. I'm super excited to show you ladies what I ordered. So I'm going to be looking at my phone because all of the information is in my phone. What I ordered from the company was 3 bundles of 22 inches of Malaysian curly hair with a 20-inch 3-part closure. Now everything came up to $192.64, and I had $8 off, which brung my order to $184.64. So Helen was very fantastic with helping me, making sure I got my discount for my order. Now, did order my hair on February 21st, and I got my hair on February 24th. So I can honestly say shipping was very fast. Helen, she's great. She always makes sure you know, I'm satisfied. You know, she always makes sure that if I have any questions or if I have any concerns about the hair or about my package, that I could always come to her. And you know, if I have any issues, that you know, it can be resolved. So I like that within a company that the customer service is always great, y'all. Let's just get into the unboxing. So the front of the box, it have their logo. At the bottom of the box, it has all their social medias, and at the back of the box it also have all of the hair care tips on how to care for the hair. Now when you open the box, you do get a set of lashes as long as with a receipt, and this is one bundle of 22 inch, and that's how it look. This is the second bundle of 22 inch, and that's how that look. And this is the third bundle of 22 inches, and that's how that look. And this is my 20-inch 3-part lace closure. As y'all can see, this lace closure is very full. No, the knots is not bleach. I do not believe in bleaching my knots. I tried bleaching my knots before, and it was a hot freaking mess. So what I do to make my closures look natural as possible is just use some concealer and I go about my day, and that's what I do. We'll be making a wig out of this hair, so I'm super excited to show you guys on what the finished product look on this hair. And y'all, this hair is very soft. It's really extremely soft, ladies, and I can't wait to install this in on my unit. Now a lot of people sit and complain that Aliexpress hair have like this corn chip smell, or it smell like it's been processed. This does not smell like that. This just smell like weave. If you ladies know what weave smell like, this is what these bundles and that closure smells like. It smells like weave. It don't smell like the hair been processed. It don't smell like corn chips or none of that. So no, this is not a sponsored video. I bought this here with my own money. I cannot stress that enough. I bought this here with my own money. This is not a sponsored video at all, ladies. So if you guys are looking for some affordable hair, definitely check out Beauty Forever Hair. I will leave the links and everything to this here down below in the description bar. And if you have not already did so, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell and be a part of that notification gang, so you guys can be notified when I upload a video. And I'll talk to y'all divas later.